So welcome back everyone. We have completed from 2017 2037 BS the political history. So we'll begin from the referendum which was held in 2037 BS where the Panchayat system won the vote by for 54.8%, and from here from referendum to people's movement we'll deal with in this chapter in this topic. So let us begin. So after the referendum, the election based on the constitutional reforms and the adult franchises took places. Following the election, the first 27-member cabinet were formed on 2nd Asar 2038 under the premiership of Surya Bahadur Thapa, who was elected unopposed by 120 members of the National Panchayat and later on the Assos 24 2039 the cabinet was reshuffled with some changes and it constituted 35 members. But the motion of no confidence saying that the Prime Minister Surya Bahadur Thapa did not honestly fulfill his responsibility and passed by the National Panchayat with the majority of 108 members got the approval of King and Thapa government got dissolved on Asar 27 2040 BS. Lokendra Bahadur Chandra was then unanimously elected by 107 members as a prime minister, and on the recommendation of National Panchayat the king appointed the prime minister on 28th Asar and the cabinet with the 21 member and formed on 29th of Asar. People's Movement 2046 and the politics thereafter. So the Panchayat system established through the royal proclamation on 1st Paus 2017 BS by the King Mahendra lasted for 30 years and collapsed with the People's Movement 2046 BS. The nationwide conference of workers of the Nepali Congress took place on 5th to 7th March of 2046 BS at the house of Nepali Congress leader Ganesh Man Singh. Senior leader of the India Chandrasekhar, Hari Krishna Singh, Surjit, M.J. Akbar etc. also attend the conference. By working together, the Nepali Congress and the Joint Leftist Front intensified the people's movement in the valley and even in the outer district from 7th Fagun to 2046. The major cities including Kathmandu were shut down on the Fagun 7th. The international media began to broadcast the news with the priority on the recommendation of then Prime Minister Marichman Singh. The cabinet was formed on the Chaitra 19, 2046, but the movement did not stop. Gunshots were fired in the Kirtipur, Patan and Bhutwal. A royal proclamation was made via Radio Nepal by King Mahendra. According to that, the new cabinet under the chairmanship of the Lokendra Bahadur Chandra was formed. Because of the people's movement did not stop, a communique was broadcast under the Radio Nepal and Nepal Television at 11:45 on the night of 26th Chaitra 2046 BS. It was mentioned on communique that the ban of the political parties was lifted with the removal of word party list from the constitutions 2019. The communique stated that the Commission for the Constitution Reform and Recommendation will be submitted a report to form a new constitution. Following the dissolution of the Panchayat system, an interim government was formed under the chairmanship of Krishna Prasad Bhattarai. The Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2047 was promulgated on 23 Kartik 2047 BS. After that, the general election were held in 29 Baisakh 2048 of 205 seats in the House of Representatives. Nepali Congress on 210 seats and unilateral cabinet was formed under the leadership of Girja Prasad Koirala. the leader of the Nepali Congress Parliamentary Party, which had got the majority in the House of Representatives on J 15, 2048 BS. Nepal Communist Party (UML) stood as opposition with a seat of 68. So with this we will end this lecture. So in the next lecture we will study about the multi-party governments. So thank you. We'll meet you in the next section.